Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing hair loss treatment. Okay, this is a pre-poo. So our ingredients are onions, amla powder. If you have the oil, you can use that, ginger, garlic, and rosemary. So I'm going to be putting everything inside my blender, okay, and we will blend each and every. Make sure that the ingredients are well blended, okay, so that when we are straining it, will not have any particles on our hair. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch it. I really do appreciate. If you love what you're seeing, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the family, like the video, share it, and leave your commentaries as well. Thank you all so much for the 900 and in counting subscribers. We are the road to 1k. okay, I pray that before this video gets up, we have already gotten to 1k subscribers. Thank you so much for the massive love. I really appreciate. So loves, if you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, hair thinning, like you have bald spots and the rest, kindly stay tuned, because I always do natural ingredients that helps to promote hair growth and stop hair loss, because I suffer from thin edges. Like I was totally bald. Okay, if you are an OG in the channel, you know that I was totally bald. Okay, so I am regrowing my front edges, and you guys can see the result. So I'm just using two tablespoons of each of the rosemary and the amla powder. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. So along the line, I'll be saying the benefits of all the ingredients I'm using. Okay, love, so stick around, keep on watching. And I use this half cup of water. You can use less, okay, or you can use no water at all. Just do what suits you. Why I added water? So that it can blend more and I can have more juice for my hair. So love, the benefits of onions. Onions prevents infection and dandruff. It helps to prevent hair loss. The sulfur in onions helps to regrow your hair follicles. Okay, why ginger? Okay, ginger helps to boost your hair. Okay, it helps to boost blood circulation in your scalp. Okay, and it also prevents hair loss. It prevents grayness of hair, and it prevents alopecia. So ginger and garlic has similar benefits for hair growth. Okay, love, so let's head to rosemary. Rosemary is really amazing for your hair growth. Okay, it helps to stop hair loss, promotes hair growth. It helps to regrow your edges as well, and same with amla powder. Okay, amla powder has similar benefits, and the amazing thing about amla powder, okay, it helps to thicken and darken your hair. Like if you want to darken your hair, use amla powder on a regular, and you see your hair will get dark a bit. So this is me right here. It's time for application. Okay, so this is my wash day routine. Okay, that is why I am doing this treatment. I do this treatment once in a month. When I want to do like a wash day, a deep wash day routine, I do this treatment. If I want to detangle my hair, I always use anything slimy to detangle my hair, like for example okra, which is in the channel, or flaxseed, which is in the channel, or I mix flaxseed and fenugreek seed, which is in the channel as well. If you use any slimy DIY to detangle your hair, it limits hair shedding. Okay guys, you guys have seen the videos and you have seen the result in the videos. So if you have not seen the video, please do what to check down in the channel. You see the videos. Okay, this is my hair right now, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and my hair is really dark. Okay, you can see that my hair is dark. It does not have any foul smell. All right, so if you are scared that because of the onions it will smell, it does not have any foul smell. Okay, I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, then I will leave my hair for a few hours. I'll leave my hair for a few hours and I will rinse it. I love the thickness of my hair. I love the way my hair is growing. We are growing in progress. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this, and Let me know your thoughts. You can drop any recipe you like me to try on my hair, and I'll do well to do the research and try it on my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and leave your commentaries as well. So I'm just going to be sectioning my hair. I'll applying this and be detangling my hair as well. This is really amazing. Like, it's so good for your hair growth. Try it out and you'll come back and testify. So besties, right here I'm also applying this on my edges, and yeah, if you know, you know. Okay, if you know about this, our edges, you know that it's coming out gradually. Okay, I feel this is like 6 months or a year I've been growing this my edges. Okay, so I'm going to be using this plastic bag, all right, to tie this on my hair. Then I'll leave it for a while. As I said, after leaving it for a while, I'll rinse it out and do my normal washing. Wash it with my shampoo, condition it, and style my hair. And this is the hair fall I have. Like here, guys, see. If you've not used that my flaxseed recipe, go use it out. If you've not used my 3 powerful ingredients, which is coffee, rosemary, and clove for stopping of hair loss, you are missing out. This is the hair fall right now I have, and I know with time it will become, or it will start to shrink. Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching to this extent. I'm just showing you guys the hair because I was so amazed by the hair fall I have. Like, if I show you guys my hair fall I used to have before,